Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Guys, it's wow. November 23rd, guys. I feel like this is like deja vu. It's the same thing, but it's crazy. Just time keeps flying. And I just want to personally welcome you guys to the channel. Maybe it's your first time here, right? Whatever the case is, guys, I want you to know that you have a community you can count on. My name is Pedro. We do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're new to trading, maybe you've been struggling, maybe you've had a hard time becoming profitable, whatever the case is, I want you to know that we're here to help. And I look forward to seeing you join the family. So consider subscribing below, but also don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Guys, we're going to dive in right now, and we're gonna dive in shortly. Just gonna wait for a couple more people to join the live stream. But not only that, guys, like I said, if you're new to the family, introduce yourself. Don't be shy, guys. Comment below. I read every single comment, and I look forward to hearing where you're from, and I look forward to hearing from you. So like I said, welcome to the family, welcome to la familia. As you know, I call you guys members because I consider you guys a family. We're all one big family, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing morning. We had a beautiful trade that went exactly as expected yesterday in our live stream. You know, sometimes we catch two trades, 3 trades, sometimes we catch one, and you know, it was a little bit more of a slower day, but we still were able to stay in profits, guys, which is the most important thing. And you know, managing your risk is really crucial for your success, but also being patient, guys. Patience pays. When you're patient, trust me, it's definitely rewarding. We just have to obviously learn to you know, not get desperate or not be forcing trades. If the market throws us an opportunity, we work with what we have. If the market doesn't have anything, then it is what it is. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna start reading the comments here. Give me 1 sec as this loads. Yeah, before we get started, guys, if you enjoy these live streams, guys, do me a huge solid, guys, and smash that like button for me, guys. If you enjoy watching these live streams, welcome, guys. Let's go. We've got survey row, please. GBP, JPY, please. Yes, we'll take a look at that, my man. Let's go, Goonies. Let's get it. We got my sister-in-law there. Let's go. It's Pippin. Good morning, my man. Good morning. Another day. Definitely thankful for another opportunity, guys. So okay, guys, so we got some euro news. So we got some, today is Wednesday, the November 23rd, and as you can see, it's always good to, even though we are technical traders, it's always good to have an idea as to what we can anticipate, you know, what kind of news we have going on, guys, because that's going to help us understand where we are in the markets, what we can anticipate. And so yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at overall, guys. And got euro, we got US news at 8:30. Flash Services PMI. Yeah, we got some Flash Services PMI at 9:45. 2 p.m. we've also got FOMC. Okay, so let's go on to our charts, guys, and understand the news coming out. Perfect. Okay. Give me 1 second here. I'm gonna let our Telegram group know we are live. Guys, if you enjoy these live streams, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. So I know we've got a couple viewers here this morning, and it really does mean a lot to me. So Okay, let's continue on, guys. So what did we see? We were anticipating a push for GJ. What am I seeing right now at this given time? So I think maybe it would be best if we kind of clear the charts just to get an idea of where we are. But in all honesty, after realizing that we actually pushed above this range on the daily, gives me an even stronger indication that we can anticipate a continuation to the upside for GBP JPY. Which is kind of what we saw here. You know, this is kind of the highs of the range here. And so, you know, this is a level where we saw price, you know, kind of respect in the past, and we actually kind of broke above it. So now that we know we've kind of broken above it, we can anticipate a potential continuation to the upside. We had price also slightly pull back and continue to rally. Give me 1 second here, guys. Just being a little bit. There we go. So now at this point, after a strong kind of momentum to the upside, we are coming to another level where we may potentially consider a level of resistance. I'll be honest with you. I think based off of my experience, guys, trying to predict where the market will end will be much more riskier, because there's a chance of you losing you know, trades trying to predict when the market ends. It's always good to get in when there's confirmation, right? So even if we kind of go down to the 30-minute, we can anticipate for sure some sort of a retracement, right? But we're definitely not looking for price to shift its overall trend. I feel that maybe, for example, GJ may come back down to this lower level, but I don't want to be telling you we're already looking for sells, if that makes sense. So I think if this candle closes bearish, we can anticipate a retracement, and this retracement could be down to this lower level, which would be a quick, easy 50 pips, right? And then if you want to know how much you'd risk, I mean, anything above this wick over here on the left-hand side would be about 21 pips. So even if you did a nice tight stop loss of 25 pips, and then you target the lower area here, about 51 pips. I do feel it will retrace. It's just part of how price moves. We can definitely anticipate some sort of retracement. Let's see where the moving averages are. And yeah, so like I said, look at the moving averages here, the 20 moving averages here. We can anticipate a retracement back to the 20 moving average. So this right here could be a good selling opportunity. Let me clear the charts, because this is just choppy, guys. I like to see the charts nice and clean. Okay, and then yeah, so this is kind of what I'm anticipating. So we can, that's the most important thing, okay? We can definitely anticipate, especially with that price action like this, can anticipate some sort of a pullback down to this level, right? And obviously, like I said, it's hard for us to predict where the market at this point may be ending, but we know we're at a resistance level at this given time. So even if we kind of put our stop loss nice and tight, like I said, 25 pip stop, right? And we target the lows over here, right? That's about 61 pips. I would say even down here, 57 pips. So this would be a good sell opportunity for this morning. But again, let's see if we have what kind of news we got going on here. Euro, just euro, some British pound, that already happened. So we have right now currently just US news at 8:30. And we have a little bit more US news all day pretty much. Yeah, so that won't really, we don't have to really worry too much about that. But that's kind of what I'm looking at there for GJ. GBP US is the one we kind of want to stay out of. So if you look at price, guys, look at how price moved up. Look at how price moved up. So let's go back up to the 1 hour. You remember when some of you guys were looking at sells and I told you guys don't look at sells. Don't look at sells. Remember when I said that? Don't look at sells, guys, because it's important to, guys, you need to listen to this, okay? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Got a couple members joining in, guys. I'm just going to be reading here in the comments quick. Okay, my friend Jason. Let's go, Jason. Let's get it, my man. He knows what's good. Laura, let's go. Let's go, Kunis. Let's get it. Okay. Metsia, are you in? Not yet, my man, but I think I will be getting in, I'll be honest. I'm waiting kind of for that 30-minute candle to close. Bearish. Guys, smash that like button if you understood that explanation, but also if you're new to the family, welcome to the family. Don't be shy, guys. Introduce yourself in the chat box below. Okay. Do you guys remember some people were looking at sells here? And I told you guys we were in a small little range and we were at the bottom of this ranging area. We were slightly breaking it, but I said, guys, I want to wait. I want to see a stronger momentum push to the downside. And then we wait for the retest for a continuation to the downside. We didn't get that. And this is why I told you guys, I said, guys, I'll be honest with you. And this is when I actually drew this. Look at my lines. I'll be honest with you. I feel it'll push back into the range. We'll retest the range again, and we'll come back and retest these highs. Do you guys remember when I said that? You guys could go watch my previous live streams, and I said exactly that was going to happen. And you could see, look, price didn't move exactly textbook wise, but it literally, funny enough, pushed back into the range, exactly how I mentioned, pulled back, so it retested within the range. And then it came back up. Remember yesterday's live stream? So this was two live streams before, right over here when I was telling you this, right? When I drew these lines. But remember yesterday it was kind of like ranging here back and forth. I was like, guys, I still think it'll retest these highs of this kind of ranging area. And it came back up to these highs, right? So now what can we anticipate knowing that we're still stuck in this range? We know that in the higher time frames, we're basically going in an upwards channel, okay? And so we can anticipate some sort of rejection of this major level structure. We know that on the higher time frames, we're in this upwards channel. We've got over 5 pushes here at this given time. We're at a major level of resistance, which is a major level of structure in the past that was respected as a level of support. Look, support, 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 resistance, resistance. We could see a break up, of course we could, but we're retesting these highs once more. So as a trader, I need to realize, okay, we're coming to this level. We're still stuck in this range. We're not dropping. Typically, once you come up and you create a new high, you see price almost right away break back down, right? So when price starts ranging for a long time, you know, that means that there's a shift in the market, or the market's starting to exhaust, right? It's starting to shift its overall sentiment. If we reject this level once more, this high, if we reject this high once more, then this is telling me that the bears are still fighting and the bulls aren't strong enough to push price higher. If we don't create, this is looking like a triple top, by the way. This kind of looks like a fake out. But if we don't push to the upside and we create a higher high, then this is a stronger indication to me that we can definitely start anticipating some sort of a retracement, guys. Okay, remember, that's indication number 1, is if we fail to create a higher high at this given time, this tells us that pretty much we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. To make it close. Okay, you're missing GJ. Okay, perfect. Thanks for letting me know, my man. We're gonna go down to GJ and 30-minute. Let's go. Thanks for letting me know, guys. Yes, GJ sells, guys. This is what I'm looking at. Let's go. But you can see already, even our entry there, guys, like, you know what I mean? Like the entry when I told you guys, hey, I'm waiting for that candle to close, closed, and then boom, just went right into profits right away, right? So we just have to kind of keep that in mind. Now, mind you, it could do a double top before it actually pulls back. Could be a possibility, but we want to manage our risk. The good thing is we got a good entry here for those that got in when I mentioned it, okay? So we'll let it do its thing. For GJ, we'll come back. These are the levels: 25 pips stop, target 57 pips. Quick in and out, guys. Very nice and simple. Okay. All right, so let's continue on. Let's go back to where we were. Again, that was for GBPUS. And again, at this given time, I don't really see any trade opportunities for GBPUS other than they might come back up, create a double top, and then come back down to the lower end, unless it actually pushes higher and we anticipate price to break this level structure. But we'll be referencing back to this in a second. Okay. Let's move on to GBPUSD. GBPUSD, similar situation. We can anticipate some sort of retracement, probably down to this lower level over here. But if we always look kind of where we're at, we actually did push above you know, this kind of channel that we were forming. And if you guys realize, I did mention that there was going to be a retracement and push back up. So we did get a slight little pullback, not exactly to this lower level down here, but it is, look, on the left hand side, we got multiple areas of rejection. We got rejection, 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 right? We got support, 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 right? And it held it as a level of support. So if we just move this up a tad bit higher, you can see that still there was a retracement, and that price did respect that level. And that not only that, price did end up going higher. So as traders, what do we look for, guys? Right? What do we look for? We anticipate, right, a continuation to the upside. Now that we've kind of broken above this level, we retested it. I want to see a little bit more of a stronger push to the upside, but we can anticipate a continuation, maybe some sort of a retracement to this lower level here before it actually pushes up higher. Okay. You guys understanding that? Yes, 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 I'm in. Yes, I am. Let's go, Tom. Let's get it. Love it when you are on. Pedro, howdy. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it, Tom. Let's get it. Guys, we have 17 viewers on right now, and I've only got 10 likes. Come on, guys. Come on. I'm here every single day, Monday to Friday, guys, supporting you guys every single day, guys. If you find these live streams, please do me a huge solid and smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel, and you know, in turn, I can continue to do these live streams for you guys. Also, if you're new to the family, guys, introduce yourself. Don't be shy. Comment in the chat box below. I'd love to hear from you. I'm gonna put, and I haven't put it on yet, I'm gonna put our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community of traders on there, guys. I'm gonna put the link in the chat box below. So make sure you guys join in on the Telegram group. We have an amazing community on there. And then what I was gonna say here. Oh yeah, okay, so let's continue on. And I'm actually gonna, I should probably pin that there. I'm gonna pin the message. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. We're gonna just focus on what we're working with right now. And so let's take a look at Euro USD. What's going on with Euro USD, guys? Euro USD, we go up to the higher time frames. Let me clear the charts. Let me start fresh. I don't have much anyways, but let me just start fresh here, guys. Okay, so Euro USD, for the longest time, we knew that we were in a downwards trend. We knew that we were in a downwards channel, whatever you want to call it. Price was respecting this channel, and we were anticipating a continuation to the downside. Okay, we knew that. We got that strong momentum push. We got some sort of a retracement at this level. We're kind of, it looks like we're kind of holding this level here. This looks like it's a level because we stopped out at this level here. So this is a level here, guys. Okay. And it seems like we're holding this level right now at this given time. Seems like price is starting to push up higher. It's probably trying to retest or create another double top or just retest these highs, right? And so if we kind of go back down to the 4 hour, we want to see kind of what overall direction we're in. And obviously we could see that, you know, we kind of created our first low, we retested and created a new higher low, lower high. So we can anticipate a potential continuation to the downside. It's not the most prettiest downwards channel, but we can anticipate that, you know, price may respect this level and we may see one more leg to the downside. Right, this is kind of what we can anticipate, knowing that also this is a level that price has respected, look, as a level of resistance, support, and now retesting it as a level of resistance. It's the 4 hour time frame, guys. You know what I mean? We're losing the momentum for buys. Look at the bears. The bears are fighting against the bulls, and the bulls are still pushing price higher. However, the bears are still in control. And so really, I think news will really determine what's going to end up happening here with Euro USD. So I don't really want to get in. We've got, look, three different news events for the US dollar. So I really kind of want to stay out of this and see, but my overall analysis is a continuation to the downside so long as price is able to respect this level of structure, which is really retesting it right now. And like I said, the bulls have lost their momentum. The bulls at this point aren't really bullish, and the bears are still in control. Okay, guys, you guys understanding why I'm anticipating that, why I'm thinking that? Because why? We use multi-level analysis. We know that on the daily time frame, what are we looking at, guys? We're at this major level structure. I hope you guys are understanding it, guys. Also, look at our stochastic, guys. We're pretty much at the highs here. We're definitely overbought at this given time, so we can anticipate some sort of a retracement. Or again, I think personally, I think Euro USD still has a little bit more juice to this lower level here, to this downside here, which gives us a lot of room for the downside, which is over about almost 300 pips. Yeah, 300 pip move, right? I think Euro USD still has some chance to come back down before it actually continues to go higher, especially after seeing a move like this, right? Like, look at this strong move up here. Look, it came all the way from down here, paused a little bit, and then it continued to rally all the way up, right? And we're talking about well over 400 pip move over here, right? Obviously this didn't happen overnight, but what I'm saying is after a strong move like this, we can definitely anticipate some sort of an exhaustion or some sort of a retracement. Now, this is an exhaustion phase. This is a pause right now. You can tell that price is not pushing higher, but overall we are seeing that the, you know, price is starting to exhaust, and we can anticipate an actual correction. You know, because the price always has, you know, that strong impulse moves, but there's always some sort of a correction, guys. Okay, welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go. Sharik, hello, coach. Welcome. USD JPY, coach. Yes, we'll take a look at that, my man, in a second. Joshua, let's go, my man. Good morning. Really appreciate your dedication. Let's catch these pips. Yes, bro. Yes, let's get it, guys. And I appreciate you guys. I really do. And I appreciate the support. Like I said, guys, we're at 11 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes, guys? Let's go. Let's go. Guys, every like, every share, if you guys, you know, share these live streams for me, guys, if you enjoy them, it does support the channel and it helps me continue to keep pushing forward, guys. And so, you know what I mean? I really do appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the support I've received, guys. And so, yeah. Let's continue on. We're gonna go so again, right, we got some USD news. I'm gonna stay out of Euro USD right now, guys. I'm not really looking for anything at this given time, but we can, this is kind of my overall outlook for it. And we're gonna take a look at USD JPY. We have one of our members asking, guys, do you remember when I mentioned that I was telling you from this bottom area we were looking for USD JPY to pull back, right? Do you guys remember that? I remember saying that. And you guys could go back to other live streams and check. But I was looking at buys way down here, right? And I mentioned this to you guys long term. I said, even if you put like you know, like look how much room, even when we got here, there was no drawdown. It didn't even go lower. We got this wick here, but when I was already looking for buys, we were at these candles here. Look, these candles here, no drawdown at all. Even if you would have done like a tight stop loss, like, I don't know, 40 pips. Look at how much pips price went up. Price went up over 370 pips. Okay, 360 pips. We knew, and I mentioned this to you guys, look at this upwards channel that we were in. We knew that we were trending to the upside, and we knew that we were coming to this major level of structure. Guys, take a look at this, guys. This is straight value what I'm teaching you guys. Look, we were in an upwards channel, up, higher highs, higher lows, right? And then we were creating what? A new higher low, right? And so look at this. This was also a major level structure. This was also the upwards channel. So this is why I anticipated we were looking for some sort of retracement. Now, remember I told you guys these are the two levels I have marked off where I see USD JPY coming up to? Well, news flash, check this out. Price actually came exactly as expected, over 360 pips, pulled back 360 pips back into this resistance area. And why did I anticipate that? Well, we knew that we were in an upwards trend. We also knew that we broke a major level here, but not only that, we anticipated a retracement. And we knew that this was a major level of structure, which was previous level of resistance, future level of support, right? And so my overall anticipation was, if we're already forming some sort of a rejection, we're already forming some sort of a support, we can anticipate after a strong move like this, some sort of an exhaustion, right? Now, remember when I told you guys, we may range here. We may come back down to this level and retest it once more, create a double top, or we might just range in this area. Or we may actually push a little bit higher and come back, and this was the second level I was looking at. I personally think that it'll pull back, And we, depending on where price currently is right now, even here on the 4-hour or the daily, we might come back down and retest these lows before we range a little bit before we actually push up to the upside and create a higher high. Okay, that would be for the dollar gaining strength. But again, we really need to see what the dollar is, what we can anticipate for the dollar, right? We may see the dollar weaken for a little bit, right? So let's zoom in, guys. What are we looking here? All I see really, to be honest with you, is a lot of consolidation. Do you see this here? That is hard to trade, guys. I'll be honest with you. That is, you want to stay out of the market when you see stuff like this. This is the 1-hour time frame, by the way. So each candle is representing 1 hour of movement. I don't really like to see price move like this because this isn't even a higher range, if that makes sense, if you will. We looks like kind of like we formed some sort of a head and shoulders pattern formation here on the 1-hour time frame. You got the left shoulder, we've got the head over here, and we've got the right shoulder. However, when we see price create some sort of a head and shoulders pattern formation, as traders, we always want to see this area here push a little bit lower like this, because that will tell us that the head and shoulders, that will tell us the bears are more in control, wanting to push the price lower. But when you don't see price like that, this is kind of still a very neutral head and shoulders, where we're seeing actually the bulls still trying to create a higher high and higher low, and we're still seeing the bulls fight with the bears. However, we saw that strong momentum push down, we retested it, anticipate sells at this given time, right? Yeah, that's usually what you would see, at least, or anticipate. Unfortunately, this type of ranging condition, I would probably just stay out. And the thing is, it's so tight that it's difficult for me to tell you what we can anticipate at this given time. It's just very, very choppy. I'm not really seeing clear ranging market. I'm just seeing like a bunch of just choppy candles back and forth. So I would kind of stay out and wait for US news. We have, like I said, 3 different US news events today coming out, and then that will help us kind of determine some sort of a breakout. We wait for the breakout, guys. We wait for the breakout, and then once we get the breakout, what do we look for when we're in a ranging market? We wait for the breakout, wait for the retest, right? And usually when the market is ranging, right, we wait for a breakout outside of the range, either to the upside or to the downside. Is that right, guys? Yes, you guys know that, right? Yes, perfect, perfect. Okay, here, NAS 100. Yeah, we'll take a look at NAS. Did you guys understand that? Yes, let me know if you guys understood that. If you did, smash that like button, or let me know in the chat box already if you understood that explanation, okay, guys, on USD JPY. Okay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got a couple new members joining in. Welcome to the family, guys. Appreciate you all very much. You guys know that. So we're gonna continue on here, guys. We're gonna focus on a couple more pairs here. Okay. So we're looking at NASDAQ. Let's go. All right, guys, check this out. Check this out. I didn't even take this one, but remember we were at the bottom of this range. Look at this. Wow. Price literally went exactly as expected. However, I didn't take this trade. I don't know if I took it exactly at this candle when it was pushing back up. Either way, you guys could see as an example, price went in our favor exactly as anticipated. Now, what are we looking at overall here, guys? Like I said, if we close below this level range, we were anticipating sell opportunities, right? We know that basically we're in a downwards channel on the higher time frames, and this is why I drew this up here. This doesn't mean that we got into this trade, but I'm saying if we broke below with a strong momentum, we wait for the retest and we look for sells. Obviously, we didn't get that. However, I said if we break above, we're gonna go back into this range and retest these highs, and that's kind of what we saw. Okay, now I'll be honest with you, the 4-hour looks really, really bullish, and I'm actually probably anticipating price to push up and create another high, and probably or retest this high up here. This is kind of what I'm seeing for NASDAQ, guys. I'll be honest with you, I'm seeing it push a little bit higher. If we narrow it down to the, even if we go up to the daily, just so you guys could see, we might just be, we still have a little bit more room to the upside here. right? And it might just retest this high before it actually starts breaking below, right? But if we look at the overall direction of the market, what do you guys see? I've simplified this for you guys so that you guys could see what price is doing. What do you guys see, right? You guys see what I'm saying? Do you guys understand that, right? Do you guys see how we can simplify things by looking at the markets at a more simplified approach, right? What are we doing, guys? We're in a downwards channel. It's that simple, guys. We're in a downwards channel on the daily. So this tells me as a trader, we can start looking or anticipating sells. However, it doesn't mean there's buying opportunities. Of course, there's buying opportunities, guys, of course. But we want to manage our risk, right? So at this given time, there's a lot of news coming out, I'll be honest, and I wouldn't personally trade in. And if I would do my tight stop losses. But look, I think again, and I said this right now, I think it's going to retest these highs. That's what I think, right? And I mean, if you want to get in, you can. You just have to manage your risk, right? Just below this support level, we have to realize that there could be a fake out too. Look at this. Price was pushing up exactly the same, and then it came back into the range, right? You just have to realize that, guys. So if you're okay with risking, right, and especially because we have some news coming out, some US news, you know, I'm not saying it will completely, you know, like knock out price, but you have to just really trade with caution, guys, right? This is kind of what I would be looking at, I'll be honest with you. This would be a breakout opportunity or a breakout trade. I personally wait for the retest, but this is kind of what I'm looking at overall. I'm going to leave it on the side, but this is my outlook, guys, on NASDAQ. Okay, and on the higher time frames, obviously this would be some sort of a double top on the higher time, so like the 4 hour, the daily. This is kind of what I would see personally. Okay, is that clear, guys? Are you guys understanding that? Yes. Yes, clear as water. Yes, perfect. And this is a great example as to why I personally wait, even though this does look like a perfect opportunity. I would personally wait because either one or two things could happen. We get a strong momentum push. If we get the strong momentum, we get in on the pullback. It's that simple. But if we get price kind of push up a little bit and then it comes back into the range, this is why we wait for confirmation, guys, because confirmation will give us that extra confluence saying, yep, we are actually pushing to the upside, right? If we get in here, the problem with this is that we don't know. We're kind of pretty much still trying to predict which direction the market's going to go, if it's going to go back into the range or if it's going to go back up. So at this point, it's still a 50-50 chance, and it's pretty much a gamble, right? But when we have a strong momentum push and we retrace back to this level, it's no longer a level of resistance, it's now a level of support. What does that tell you as a trader? And when we get price retest this level and it holds this level of support, and we're seeing a lot of rejection of this level, we're not seeing price, we're seeing the bulls struggle, the bears struggle to push price lower, and the bulls are still creating all these wicks and failing to push price lower, then we can definitely anticipate we're going to expect a continuation to the upside. It's that simple, guys. Right? And then I will be honest with you too, right? You can start using, again, we focus on price action, but we can use, for example, look at the 20 moving average. It's holding this level of support. So this is an extra confirmation for me. We got the 50 moving average now a little bit below price. And so we can anticipate a continuation to the upside. This is why my anticipation is to the upside. However, we could pierce below and completely invalidates this, right? So again, if we were to get a push to the upside like this, right, we get that strong momentum push, we wait for the retest, we come back to this lower level, I want to see price reject, and by the time it actually pulls back, the 20 moving average will probably be around here, and we'll see price reject the 20, and then we see a continuation to the upside, right? Guys, I'm giving you straight gold, like literally straight gold. Like this is absolute gold, guys. If you guys aren't really, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. I really appreciate the support. You know what I mean? And also for all the new members that are tuning in, guys, I'm live every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. And so, yeah, guys, let's continue on. Look at GJ. Yes, we'll let it do its thing, Metsia. It might come back up and retest, but we just got to let it do its thing. Okay. And then always, guys, manage your risk, right? Remember that trades won't always 100%, right? Remember the market could do anything at any given time. As traders, we always have to manage our risk. Hey bro, can you take a look at BTC? Yes, we'll take a look at BTC, my man, of course. Got Pops in the house. Love you, Dad. Thank you for always supporting me. Let's go. Okay, so did you guys understand that? Yes. Okay, I see a couple people joining in as well. Welcome to the family, guys. For all the new members that are tuning in, guys, don't forget to hit that little like button. Smash that like button for me. Give your boy a thumbs up. But also, guys, if you already gave me a thumbs up, leave me a fire emoji in the chat box below. And also introduce yourself. For all the new members that are new to the family, introduce yourself. Let me know where you're joining in from. What country, guys? I always love hearing from you guys. And yeah, like, let me know where you're tuning in from. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications, because I do come on live every single day in the mornings. However, I do also come in live sometimes in the evenings. And so if you don't want to miss a single live stream, guys, you best bet you hit that little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Okay, so we're going to continue on here, guys. We're going to take a look at US30, then we'll look at Bitcoin, and then we'll continue on, guys. So again, same thing with US30, guys. As you guys could see, look at my arrows here. We're anticipating, what were we anticipating at this level here? We were anticipating price to push up and then retest. We got that little retest there and price ended up going further. I'll be honest, let's kind of do a top-down analysis at this given time. We've actually broken out of the channel. Even if we look on the weekly, guys, look at this. We've broken above this channel. So this is telling me that we may see push above. To be honest with you, we might actually probably retest these highs up here. So kind of the next level, we're kind of just piercing above this level support. I would see price maybe come up either to, I would say these highs over here, okay? Because that's a level where price has respected multiple times. So we may see something like this. Again, this is the weekly, but this gives us an idea of the direction. We wait for the retest and we anticipate a push to the upside. Could be, or it could range for a bit, okay? Come back and forth, and then we see a breakout, right? In that range, or breakout back in, right? So this is just weekly perspective. Weekly's looking bullish, daily's looking bullish. So now that we know that the overall direction or the room that we have to the upside could be a continuation of the upside, daily's looking like it's still a little bit indecisive. It still looks like we may see the daily, you know, it's not looking 100% bullish, but this could change, right? We could see the daily gain some strength and continue to push higher. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Why is the daily looking like that? Because I anticipate some sort of retracement, some sort of a pullback. Guys, we pushed above this level of resistance that I had, and overall we were looking for a push to the upside. So now that we know that, look at this, we got the 20 moving averages, pretty much we got the 50 just under, so we can anticipate price to come back down and retest at least the 20. The 20 will probably be over here, and we can see probably price hold it as a level support. If we go down to the 1 hour, we are holding this level support on the 20 moving average. However, I can anticipate price come back down and retest the 50. So I could see something like this happening for price come back down and retest and continue to push higher. Right, this is kind of what I'm looking at for US30 overall, guys. We definitely are seeing some sort of a potential retracement, but again, we want to kind of narrow it down to the 30-minute, let's see, 30, 15-minute, and see what price is doing. And obviously, what do we see, guys? We see a clear range, and until we don't get a breakout of this range, let me take off these moving averages. We want to focus on basic market structure. We can clearly see that this is the lows of the range, and this is the highs of the range. It's that simple, guys, okay? It's that simple. Right, so we need to see a breakout. When price is ranging, what do we look for, guys? We wait for a breakout, and that breakout could be to the upside or to the downside, right? And so if we get a breakout to the upside, what do we see? We wait for a retest of this level structure, and then we see a continuation to the upside. That's simple. Same thing here, guys. What are we going to see? If we get a breakout below, we wait for the retest of this level structure. We use it as a level of resistance, and then we retest these lows over here, okay? Did you guys understand that explanation? I hope you guys understood this explanation, guys. If you did, smash that like button or let me know in the chat box below, guys. Let's get it. This is straight value, guys. I'm telling you. Guys, charge for these live streams are absolutely free, guys. This single day, guys. So if you're looking to level up on your trading, guys, make sure you tune in every single day, guys, so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. And like I said, I appreciate you all very, very much. I appreciate all the love, all the support. Ahmed from Iran, welcome Ahmed. Let's go, let's go. Welcome to the family, my man. Welcome to La Familia. Again, welcome to all the new members that are new here. If you're new, maybe you've been struggling with your trading. Whatever the case is, I want you to know that you have a family you can count on here. You have a community you can count on. And all the new members, guys, that are just joining, I'm going to put the link here for the free Telegram group, guys. Make sure you guys join in on my free Telegram group, guys. We have amazing community of traders on there. And so make sure you check it out. That is a free community that I've created. And also, guys, maybe you're struggling with your trading. Maybe you want to be able to catch opportunities in trades that I take. If you want to follow me and take the trades I take and learn and earn at the same time, check out my VIP inner circle, guys. This is amazing, guys. I have a great group of students, guys, that have been able, members that have been able to help step by step grow. And so maybe that's you. Maybe you want that extra mentorship, guys. I'm telling you, what really helped me level up on my trading was when I really started to invest in myself. So check that out. That's my VIP inner circle, guys, if you guys are interested in taking the trades I take and also joining my live Zoom calls, guys. And we got other stuff that we do with our members there in our VIP. Okay, anyways, let's continue on, guys. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin, and we got one of our members ask about Bitcoin. Where are we looking at Bitcoin go? What are we anticipating? And so let's kind of go up to the daily and see what we see with price on Bitcoin. So we saw some sort of a retracement. Even here, you guys can see that we got that pullback. Do you see that pullback here? If we narrow it down to the 4 hour, I was still anticipating a pullback. And you guys can see, look at my lines here, right? A pullback. Look, price pushed back up. From here, it went a little bit lower down to the, remember when I said when we have a symmetrical triangle or an ascending or descending wedge pattern formation, we always retest what? I've taught you guys this all the time. What we mainly retest, what? The beginning part of the wedge. Or if price breaks above, where do we retest? We retest the beginning part of this wedge where it started, right? Look what it did. It literally came back down and retested the beginning part of this wedge. And now it came back up. So look, I have my lines here, it came back up. Look, I'm anticipating, this is from way before, price to come back down and probably push to the downside. Okay, at this given time, yeah, I'm expecting price to, if it holds this level of resistance, we could see Bitcoin come back down to around the 15,000 mark, and then we may anticipate, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm sticking very firm where I'm anticipating. I think Bitcoin will come back down all the way to the lower levels of 12,000 to 13,000, 14,000. This will be a perfect buying opportunity, guys. So I don't know about you guys, longer term, I started trading in Bitcoin, and I can tell you that longer term, we can anticipate great opportunity, buying opportunities. We have the halving event coming in 2024, I believe. So great opportunities to look back and be like, wow, I got the opportunity to get back into Bitcoin at 12,000. Or 13,000. But again, obviously this is higher risk, guys. Don't ever invest in anything you don't understand. Okay, Amina, welcome. Good morning, Amina. We got another family member just join in, guys. Welcome to the family. All the new members, guys, welcome. Guys, we're at 20 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes, guys? Let's freaking go, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing morning, guys. I really do. Or wherever you guys are in the world, because I know we have a large community, guys. I know we got people from all over the world. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. But you guys can see I'm anticipating a rejection of this level. I'll be honest with you, as long as price is able to respect this level of resistance, then we can anticipate a push back down to at least this lower level, and then potentially even lower, right? So this would be my next target level for Bitcoin. However, we always want to narrow it down to the lower time frames, like the 30-minute. And so if we see a break of this low, okay, pay attention to this, guys. If we see a break of this low, we're breaking out of this range. Look at this. Now that we know in the bigger time frame we're at a major level of resistance, right? I want to see a break of this lower level so we can see a retest, and then we expect a continuation to the downside, right? But how are we able to spot this out is that we know that on the higher time frames we're at a major level of structure. However, I'm not looking for sell opportunities until we break what? This level. Hold on. Until what? I'm not looking for sell opportunities until we break this upwards channel. Okay, it's that simple, guys. We're still in this channel, right? So price could come back up and retest these highs, right? You guys understanding that? That's pretty clear, guys. This is straight price action. But this, even if it's Bitcoin, doesn't matter. I'm teaching you guys how to look at the markets in a more simplified approach, guys. This is straight fire. This is straight value, guys. Are you guys understanding that? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, give me a thumbs up, guys, if you guys are understanding that, or a thumbs up in the chat box as well. Also, guys, leave me a fire emoji as well too, guys. Give me 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second, okay? All right, guys, I'm back. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, I'm just gonna put on my camera here again. Okay, perfect. All right, guys, so that's kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I hope you guys understood that. Yes, it's a really good opportunity. Yes, sir. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Okay. That's the most important thing, guys. I want you guys to understand. I want you guys to learn. That's the most important thing, guys, is for you guys to grasp everything and see the markets at a more simplified approach, guys. We have to always look at the markets simplified. You don't want to overcomplicate things with indicators, right? Focus on learning price action. Once you understand price action, you can use indicators as an extra added confluence, but we don't want to be not knowing how to trade and just depending on indicators, if that makes sense. Okay. Okay, guys, perfect. So we're going to move on. Okay, we're going to move on. Hey, we got my mom here. Hey, mom. Love you. Okay, so let's shout out to mom. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. So you're already seeing rejection here. Obviously, we need to see a break. We won't look for selling opportunities until we actually break below this level. Okay, we need to break below this level first, and then we can anticipate a continuation of sells. Do you guys see the analysis, how clear that is though? Right, when you start marking off your levels and you say, okay, the 4-hour time frame, we're at a major level of resistance. So this is a 4-hour major level structure, right? We're in a downwards trend, or you know what I mean? So you start kind of using all these added confluences, and this is how you're able to anticipate where price may continue to go, right? Same thing with Ethereum, right? What did we see with Ethereum? Look at my lines, guys. Look at the lines, right? I'm not saying this just because I'm able to figure out where price may go, but I'm saying this because this is how we're able to spot out opportunities in the markets. Literally, I guess this where I draw the lines is where I'm anticipating price to go, right? So clearly I drew it from over here. Maybe we're seeing rejections here at this level, and I was telling you guys, hey, we're still probably going to respect this level structure, and we're going to stay back into this range, right? And look at what I was anticipating, probably get back into this range, and we're seeing price just kind of consolidate within this area. Similar to what we saw over here is what we can anticipate for price to do at this level over here, guys. Okay, so same thing with Ethereum. I'm anticipating a push probably lower, could be a possibility, but at this given time, all I really see is a range, right? Price just kind of consolidating, exhausting for a little bit, right? Taking a little bit of a break, right? Now at this given time, I probably see Ethereum pushing back down lower because what? We broke below, we had that strong momentum, we came back up and retest this level. But look, it's not coming up to these highs, but it's also respecting this level right now because we got multiple levels of support, right? Multiple touch points here. And look, now it's retesting this level, and it's holding it as a level of resistance on the 4-hour time frame. We narrow it down to, let's say, the 1 hour. And even the 1 hour is looking really, really bearish, guys. So what can we anticipate? We can anticipate a push to the downside. However, I don't want to see sell opportunities for Ethereum until I break below this low. It needs to break this low because this is an added confluence, letting me know as a trader that yes, you know what, the overall sentiment is confirmed that we are anticipating sell opportunities. So now once we break below this level, I want to see a strong momentum push. Okay, I want to wait for the retest, and then we can look for a continuation to the downside. Now, mind you something, we do have to realize that price even comes down to this level. This is a major level of resistance, okay? and it's a major level of support. So this is a level where I know that price will come back down and stop, most likely, okay? And funny enough, without me even looking at that level, I drew it out and I said, this is a level where I'm seeing price stop and then pull back, right? But do you guys see how clear that is? And then you can draw your channels if you want, you can draw your trend lines, whatever you feel comfortable to really understand what the market is trying to tell us, right? It's really that simple, guys. But obviously it requires a lot of effort, a lot of discipline, a lot of patience to really understand what the market is trying to tell us, right? You guys see that? You see how clear that looks now? You guys see how you're able to understand the overall direction? Do you guys understand that? Yes, let's go, guys. Guys, we're at 23 likes. Can we get it to 25? Let's go, guys. Let's get it to 25 likes, guys. I know we're capable. I know we got a solid team this morning. Let's get it to 25 likes, guys. Let's go. But do you see how clear we can understand that and we can anticipate where price may go? It's very simple, guys, right? It's very, very simple, right? So, yeah. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. Let's go. Yes, we got Tom Brooks here. Let's go. Thank you, Tom. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love. Okay, so I want to welcome all of our new members, guys. If you're new here, guys, if it's your first time, don't be shy, guys. Comment below in the chat box. Let me know where you're joining in from, guys. And also, don't forget to hit that little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Okay, guys? Let's get it. Okay. Support. Okay, so I'm gonna continue on here, guys. Haven't looked at gold. Let's take a look at gold here, guys. So you guys saw how price literally, you know what I mean? Pretty much I was anticipating a pullback. We pushed back into this range. Let's clear the charts, guys. Let's start fresh with gold. Let's see what's going on with gold. So funny enough, though, do you remember when we were up here and I was telling you guys when we were at these highs over here, I was telling you guys, I'm looking at gold pulling back. You guys remember that? It's crazy. Sometimes you see price play out how you anticipate it. Sometimes price does its own thing, right? So we just have to work with what we have, guys. I feel gold still has, gold might still have a little bit more push to downside, maybe a couple wick rejections, maybe not, because this is actually a major level here. So if we see it, yeah. Yeah. And if we kind of move it up a little bit there, let's move it there. Yeah, look at all these touch points, guys. And it keeps going. Look, resistance over here. Oh my gosh. Even more confirmation that this is a major level. So with gold, the daily, what are we looking at? Gold, see, this is where it's really important, guys, that it's best that we get in when prices are trending like this. We're trending down, okay? When we try to anticipate if price is going to go higher or low, or if it's going to start rejecting now, this is where we got to be careful, right? Because at this given time, I'll be honest with you, I think gold may range here for a little bit before it actually pushes back up, right? And retest the highs of this range, right? So we need to realize that. 4-hour time frame, let's go to the 4-hour, right? I'm anticipating a range for gold. It's that simple, okay? Plus, we also have 3 different news events for the dollar. So we can anticipate price to probably range for a little bit. Okay, guys, that's kind of what I'm looking at there for gold overall. Yeah. Yes, so we could be looking at buys, but we need to really trade with caution. So if we look at 4 hours, we're gonna range. So we could trade the highs and the lows of the range, but you have to just be very mindful, because even if you look, for example, guys, like for example, look at here, right? Someone said, okay, we're probably looking at buys. It went up and then it came back down, right? So it's not it's not that good of a range for us to be like 100% confident that we're going to see a rise back up to these highs, right? Price is just kind of like choppy, if that makes sense. We're not in a trend really. That makes sense. Plus, we have a lot of US news coming out. Look, we got three US news coming out in like 20 minutes. We got one US news coming out in 20 minutes. So we really have to understand that the dollar will fluctuate what gold may do. So we have to really trade with caution, guys. We actually broke below this level here too for the dollar. So the dollar weakened much more than we anticipated. So it came back into this range. So we actually may see the dollar something like this and retest these lows. Let me clear the chart so you can see. So we were anticipating the dollar holding this level of support, which we move it up. We were anticipating a little bit higher above here, but it came down a little bit lower because this is also a level where we may see it. Remember, this is a zone, guys, okay? So we may see, if we continue to respect this level as a level of resistance for the dollar, we can anticipate a retest of these lows over here, which again, this obviously affects gold, guys, okay? And so if we reject this level, we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. Okay. If we are able to pierce above, we wait for the retest and we see a continuation for buys. We're just kind of at a crucial level right now, guys. That's pretty much it. We're just at a crucial level for the dollar. We don't know until we get the news. Okay. But overall, I'm seeing it probably go lower more than higher, which kind of makes sense. So if the dollar goes lower, then gold will go higher, right? So again, if you want, knowing that we're at the bottom level pretty much, this is kind of looking like a double bottom. We could anticipate on the 4-hour time frame, we could anticipate price coming up higher for gold. Okay. And yeah, this is looking like a double bottom. We can anticipate that for sure. So I'm looking at potential gold buys. Again, you want to manage your risk. So if we're at this bottom level here, how much are you guys willing to risk, right? We've got a lot of news, so I mean, it really depends, right? What are you willing to risk, guys? Price doesn't go against, if price goes against you, look at this. We got 48 pips, 50 pips, 54 pips. Just to be safe, especially gold, 50 pip stop. A little bit bigger than I'd hope for. I like to keep it around 30, 25, 30 pips. Nice and tight. We can target these highs up here. But overall, anticipating it to come back up to the neckline, which is this level here. That's what I'm looking at for gold, guys. Let's go. But again, buying here at the lower end is much more better because we have a better entry, right? If we wait for confirmation, yes, price could go against us, but we have to realize that we got a much more riskier entry. So getting in at like times like this, or getting in even lower when it was down over here, would have been a perfect entry, right? Like this was a perfect entry. This was a nice entry down here, even if we would have gotten halfway through the candle, right? At this given time, could be still a good entry, but we got a lot more space here, right? We want to get it a little bit lower. So if it starts pushing down, if I see it push down a little bit, I'll probably get in on gold buys. Yeah, I just want to get a better entry, to be honest. Okay, you guys understanding that? Yes, yes. Yes, guys, we're at 24 likes. Let's get it to 25. Actually, let's get it to 30 at this point. If it breaks the support, then we're definitely, that invalidates buy setups for sure. If gold breaks the support because of like the US news that we have, then absolutely. Like I'm definitely at this given time. And this is why it's really important to understand something, guys, because I'll be honest with you. We could see this retracement, look for gold buy opportunities. We could be holding this level support, but we need to understand that we may see probably price create some sort of one more leg down and retest these lows a little bit, right? Because it could happen. It could happen, right? Look how it overlaps here, right? Some people thought, okay, this is the resistance level, but look, price came back up even a little bit higher, but it's the same zone. It's the same level, right? So we don't know. We could, that's what I'm saying. You have to be aware that if you get in here, you have to be willing to lose technically or risk 50 pips, right? That's what I'm saying. It's a little bit more of a wider gap than I personally feel comfortable. But again, there could be after the news, it could be a chance it could just explode, right? We don't know at this given time, right? So this is why we could realize that maybe gold might come back down, create a huge wick, and then finally start coming back up, right? But it seems like it is holding this level of support because previously, if you look here, we're starting to kind of form a double bottom on the 4-hour time frame, which let me tell you, on the higher time frames, this is much, much more significant, right? So that's something. At a major level, so this is also something that we have to keep in mind. So we may see finally the pound pairs maybe start forming some sort of a rejection of this level, which would kind of go in confluence with everything else. Because with, for example, GU, we've come to this level of resistance. We know that we're in an upwards channel. We know that we're still ranging, so we can anticipate probably price reject this level. Could it go higher? Could probably go higher. Could be a possibility. But we just have to be mindful, guys, right? We have to be mindful that we may reject this level. And if it does reject this level, similar to GJ as well, we may see it form some sort of a maybe double top. Could be a possibility. Same here with Gbpusd. Look, it's kind of forming some sort of a slight little double top. But it could push higher, right? We are seeing some volume in there, guys. So we could push higher. It could be a possibility, right? So look, even on the 15-minute, right? Look at, for example, Gbpusd. Right, we're seeing that wick rejection. I want to see that candle close bearish, and then we can anticipate a push back down, right? At least to this lower level here. Again, why am I looking at that? That's a counter trend trade, obviously, right? Because we know that we've broken above at this level now, so we don't want to be looking at sells when the market's pushing up, but we can anticipate some sort of a retracement, right? That's what we can anticipate, guys. Okay. You guys getting that? Yes. See Euro USD again. Euro USD, I need to see it reject that level. Let's see the 30-minute. Okay, we're getting a lot of rejection here, guys. But I want to see it break below. I'll start looking for Euro sells. Honestly, this is a level where I'm anticipating gold, because we already got that strong momentum. We're pulling back at a major level here. So to be honest with you, like, we should be looking for sell opportunities, but it probably could come back up and retest these highs, right? Sakshan, what's odd CHF? I'm in a short position. I'll take a look at odd CHF, my man, in a second for you. No problem. Tom Bruce is it right? Yeah, GJ Nasty tonight. Yes. In Oz, yes. Buddha, yo, greetings everyone. Yo, Pedro A, what's your take on odd USD? We'll take a look at odd USD as well, my man. Let's take a look at the odd pairs. Let's see what's going on with odd CHF, and then we'll take a look at odd USD, okay? Okay, guys. Also, welcome to all the new members, guys, that are tuning in. Welcome to La Familia, guys. I appreciate you guys very, very much. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support, guys. And look at GJ, guys. We're getting some sort of rejection, but again, I'll be honest with you, I'll feel much more comfortable when we kind of break these lows and then we start looking for selling opportunities. You know, even at this level right now would be a good sell opportunity. Let's see how much of a range we have. 25. It's not huge, even 13 pips. But again, right, it's not the overall ideal trade at this given time. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, you know, this could be actually a good sell opportunity here. But I wanted to break below these moving averages. I'm not liking the moving averages crossing like this. I'm not liking it yet. Yeah, no. I'd say once it breaks below this level, then we can see price, for example, Euro USD do something like this. I want to see a strong momentum push. Use this level as a retest, or this level here as a retest, right? Probably this area here. And then we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. Then we'll get in. But right now, I'm not really liking what I'm seeing yet. Not yet, guys. Okay, guys, we're going to take a look at our odd pairs. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to all the new family members that are tuning in. Let's get it, guys. We're going to look at odd CHF first. I don't think I have it here. I've got odd JPY. Oh, I do. Odd CHF. Okay. So what are we looking at odd CHF? Look at this, guys. Look at this. We're still struggling in this ranging area, guys. And this is what I said. We're looking at sell opportunities below this level structure. We still haven't been able to break below this level. Price has been struggling and ranging for the longest time here, guys. It was in a range up here, and then it was in a range down here. We actually got in a perfect buy opportunity around here. I don't know if you guys remember, but this was a couple live streams ago. And we got in a buy opportunity because I told you guys we're at a bottom level of this range. So it could be a perfect buy opportunity for price to actually come back up and reject that level. And we saw price actually do that exactly as expected. So yeah, like overall pretty much right now, if we get a break, I want to see a strong break, guys. I need to see a closure below this level structure for a continuation to the downside. If we don't close below this level, I'm not looking for sell opportunities for odd CHF. I need to see a strong momentum push. We wait for the retest. In that retest, look at my arrow here. In that retest, we need to respect this level now as a level, because it was previously a level of support. Now it's a future level of resistance. I need to see rejection. If we get rejection, this is a perfect sell opportunity to sell all the way down, guys, on any of the pullbacks. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at overall. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at for odd CHF, guys. Now, if we see, we could, again, I mean, we've been holding this level and respecting this level as a level of support. We could see it come back up and retest once more. Could be a possibility because we've come down here. It looks like a kind of like a double bottom here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. I mean, it could be a possibility. If we start seeing some sort of like a bullish candle form here, then yeah, you know what I mean? Let's say the 30-minute candle, let's say the 30-minute candle closes bullish, then we can probably target the highs of this range. But again, we're still stuck in range. Do you see the sideways movement, guys? This is a range. So this is what I'm saying. Like we may just target the range. I don't know how much pips there is. Let's see, it's not much, right? You see what I mean? So we could catch like a quick 25 pip move, you know, only probably putting a stop, like let's say 15 pip stop, and then just kind of get in and out of the markets. That could be a possibility as well too. So I will kind of keep that in mind there. That could be a possibility. And that is odd CHF, guys. Okay, so let's continue on here, guys. Let's go. We're at 26 likes, guys. Can we get it to 30? Let's go. We're gonna take a look at odd USD. I like trading AUUSD. It's one of my top pairs that I have here. Now, AUUSD, we're in a downwards channel, okay? And not only that, let's go up to the higher time frames to understand what we can anticipate for AUUSD at this given time. Now, hold on, let me just kind of move this over here. Now, we know that we rejected this higher level structure, but even on the daily, we can see that we are still in a downwards trend. We're in a downwards channel. So we can anticipate, for example, AUUSD to continue to go down lower. So knowing that we're in a downwards trend on the higher time frames like the daily, that's pretty significant, guys. And we know that we rejected this level. You can see my arrow here. Do you see my arrow over here? I'm anticipating price to reject this level high. However, sometimes price, especially now that we got a little bit of a pullback, price will come back up high once more before it actually pushes down to the downside. Right, so we have to realize that. And then if we look over here on the 4 hour, I'm going to show you guys this push right here, this lower high, right? Watch this. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys something. We're on the 4 hour time frame, and I'm not looking for sells just yet until we actually break below this upwards momentum. Okay, so we know that we've been kind of in this slightly upwards channel. So until we don't break this upwards channel, guys, I'm not looking for sell opportunities. Okay, you guys see what I'm saying, right? Because we were creating a new higher low or lower high in the higher time frames, but we in that lower high when we were trending to the upside, we're still considering to create a higher high or a higher low, because these are still higher lows. Look at this within this channel, higher low, higher low, higher low. Right now we're failing to create a higher high. So that's indication number one. Indication number two, look, we're in a downwards channel. However, we're kind of struggling, guys. We're holding this level, we're rejecting this level structure, but I need price to reject this level for me to continue to see price come back down and probably create or retest these lows down here. However, we could see price come back up, retest these highs before it actually goes down lower, right? So that's just kind of something that we have to keep in mind, okay, guys? So that's kind of what I'm looking at overall. Look at our stochastic. We are definitely oversold here on the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, we may see one more push up before we actually start looking for sells. Plus, we have some US news as well too, guys. So keep that in mind as well, okay? We got some US news coming up. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. As of right now, it's still ranging for AUUSD. So because we're stuck in this range, I'm not looking for sell opportunities just yet. Let me clear the chart so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm not looking for sell opportunities yet because we are moving sideways, okay? We need to break below these lows first. Once we get a break below this lower level here, we can anticipate selling opportunities, okay? You guys understanding this? You guys understanding why I'm saying we're looking for sell opportunities once we break below this low? Yes? Right? You guys see how I'm looking at the markets? One sec. The 30-minute time frame. But do you guys see what I'm saying? Do you guys see what I'm saying about are you willing? Remember what I told you guys? Are you willing to lose 50 pips at this given time? Do you see why I said I personally, for me, it's a little bit too much? because remember what I told you guys, that we may see gold in this case, right, come back down a little bit lower. Do you guys remember that? I just want you guys to understand that, right? Now it's probably going to push up. So right now would probably be good buy opportunities, but because of the news, like, it's really, really risky at this given time. So it would have been a nice entry right now at this given time for buys, right? But this is why I personally wait. But do you guys understand why, right? Okay, yes, we got yes, thanks, perfect, yes. As long as you guys understand why I didn't get in and why I waited, was the reason why I was anticipating gold to maybe push back down before it actually pushes up a little bit higher, right? Because we still had that little gap, right? Right? So okay. So guys, we're at 27 likes. Can we get it to 30? Let's go, guys. We're so close. Also, welcome to all of our new members, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the support. Appreciate all the love, guys. As you know, our family is growing day by day. So if you're looking to trade, maybe you've been struggling with your trading, maybe you're new to trading, whatever the case is, guys, I want you guys to know that you have a community, a family you can count on, guys. So like I said, consider subscribing below and hitting that little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. Take a look at gold. Gold is going exactly as expected at this given time, but again, it's really, really risky. Same with GJ as well, guys. This GJ, this is why we have to realize that you know, trading a counter trend trade is really, really risky. Pretty much coming at a stop loss area here. So again, we always want to manage our risk. 25 pips stop, not too bad. Double top probably forming. We can anticipate some sort of retracement. Same with GBPUSD. We are getting a push above. However, we can anticipate a potential maybe push higher. Could be. We don't know. Obviously, again, news, right? After a strong push like this, what do you anticipate, guys? Some sort of a pullback, right? So we just got to wait, ride it out, and see what ends up happening at this given time, okay? Same with Gbpusd, anticipating some sort of a retracement, especially after a strong move to the upside. Same with EURUSD. Look how it affects price. That's what I'm saying, guys. This is why you wait. You wait for the news. You got to be patient, right? Imagine if you would have gotten in on sells here, right? This is why I said I'm not waiting. I'm not looking for sell opportunities until we sell below this level. And price actually went the opposite. It went up higher and retested these highs. That's why, look at this highlighted area. Why did I have this highlighted like this? Look at this. Why do you think I highlighted this extra 2 pips? Because there was a chance that price could come back up. Look, it created that huge wick, 20 pips, right? There's a chance. So I'm saying price came back and retested these highs, right? And again, guys, remember that losses are part of trading. You have to understand that, right? Losses are part of trading, right? So, but as long as you're managing your risk, you're going to be still ahead, guys. Trust me. And as long as you have a trading plan in place, and as long as you're disciplined, which is what I teach you guys every single day, trust me, you will see results, guys. SEO Harish, hi bro, love your channel, love your content, man. Yes, thank you so much, my man. Appreciate the love. Thank you so much. Harish, thank you so much. Tom, gold, a negative 80 pip wick. Yes, it was a big move. And like I said, I'm not trying to say I told you so, but I told you guys there's that little gap that I saw in gold that I said it might come back down before it actually pushes back up, right? And so that's why I kind of warn you guys, to teach you guys. Again, I want you guys to learn. And again, guys, I remember, we are all humans. We base our emotions off we're humans. We base our emotions sometimes, our decisions off of emotions. But as traders, I love it because you become much more disciplined and you realize how to look at the markets with a more simplified approach, but also a disciplined approach, right? We don't just jump into the markets just to jump in. We have a disciplined plan that we stick to, and we say, nope, I'm not looking at getting in just yet because I feel this, this, and this, or it's not following my trading plan. It's not at this level of rejection. It's not, respecting this moving average or whatever. Or it's not respecting this level of structure, right? Or it hasn't broken below this level. It's still in an upwards channel or upwards trend. So once we kind of realize that, and once we're more disciplined, then we start seeing results, guys. I'm telling you guys, I can't stress this enough. Okay, yeah. So same with USD JPY. See, we're still kind of in this range, right? So I didn't really see USD JPY do anything, although it is linked with the dollar. Let's see with Dixie. So we saw I pushed down lower. However, it's kind of retracing back up. So I need to see Dixie close bearish or a continuation to the downside, and then wait for the retracement and then continuation to the downside, which would give us a push for gold a little bit higher. Now, however, gold is, if we look at the bigger picture with gold, okay, we got that strong momentum push, we pulled back, we can anticipate, okay, we can anticipate gold. One second here, guys. If gold breaks below this level, which I don't think it will, but if it does break below this level, I don't think it will, guys. I'll be honest with you. We're definitely looking for sells, but I don't think this is the case. We're not looking for sells for gold. We're looking for gold holding this level of support. So I'm looking at gold probably coming back up to this level, rejecting this level neckline, because in the lower time frames, it's a head and shoulders. If it rejects it, it'll probably come back down, retest these lows before it comes back up and retest these highs. Then we'll probably come up to this level. We might come back down, retest, and push up. Okay. And then it comes back down to this lower level and continuation to the upside. That could be a possibility. Again, we can't just be trying to predict the market. We can't do that, guys. Let's be honest. We don't know until we actually see what price is telling us. But this is kind of like an overall anticipation, right? We may form some sort of a double bottom. Price might come back up for gold short term, right? Retest this neckline on the 4-hour time frame, because we know that that was kind of like a head and shoulders pattern formation. So retest this neckline, create some sort of a double bottom formation on the higher time frame, right, where price might come back down once more, retest these lows before it actually pushes up and retest these highs. Could be a possibility, right? And then we'll kind of work with what we have, right? But that's kind of the overall outlook for gold, guys, right now. Again, I wouldn't look for buys yet. I'm not really confident because this candle needs to close bullish. But not only that, it's just very, very wicky. We also have a little bit more US news. We still have more US news coming out during the day, guys. So this is, I'll be honest with you, it's very, very risky right now to be taking any trades at this given time, guys. For Wednesday, we got lots of US news coming out. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. I see a couple new family members just tuning in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go, guys. We're at 29 likes, guys. We're so close to 30. Can we get it to 30 likes? Let's go. Isaac, news released. Isaac, USD CAD. Yeah, we'll take a look at USD CAD, my man. See, this is why you don't even get in, guys. This is what I'm saying. I didn't get in on gold, but should move this to the side. See how that candle, look how indecisive it is. No, you stay out. This is how you stay out. And this is why I told you guys, we're not looking to enter, but we may see that push down lower before price pushes up. You got a member here asking about USD CAD. Let's go. What are we looking at? USD CAD. Look at this, guys. USD CAD, we were anticipating it to push higher, and we got that push higher from this lower level. We're in an upwards channel. I was looking at buys way down here, and look at my arrows. Look how many arrows I had indicating that we were still going to push to the upside. Look at my arrows, guys. Anticipating, I think still USD CAD will probably come back up to these highs. I still think that. So let me clear the charts here so it's much cleaner. All right. So we're definitely, so we got that push. This would have been a nice entry here. That's at 4 in the morning, by the way. Saw kind of like a double bottom here at this major level structure and in the bottom of the channel. So now what do we wait, guys? We see USD CAD gaining strength at this given time. That is not good. If the US dollar is gaining strength, that's not good for gold because gold becomes weaker. But for USD CAD, we may see, for example, USD CAD. Let's go back to USD CAD here. We may see USD CAD push a little bit higher, and then we get in on the retracement. Okay, it's that simple, guys. See this kind of exhaustion here that it had here? It's pushed up like it is right now, and then it pulled back. On that pullback, we get in on the pullback for buys. So we're getting a push. Probably you'll see it kind of reject soon. Once we get a pullback, could be pulling back to this level here. Probably won't be an extensive pullback down here, but probably to this level here. For the retracement at this given time. Let's get it, guys. Also, guys, here's my link to my recommended broker. For those of you that have been asking, I still get messages to this day. people asking me what broker I use. That's my broker. And if you use my link, you get a sign up bonus. So check it out. They're really, really, really good guys. They're Australian. They've got tight spreads. I don't know, because again, I don't really get into all the details and stuff, where if it works with your region or whose region it works, but just check it out. They got really good tight spreads and they're regulated. Okay. Let's get it. Let's go. Tom Brooks, if Canada wins, sell EuroCAD. Yeah, that'd be funny. Phaedra, yes, perfect, 100%. Awesome, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, let's take a look here. Let's go. Let's look at so AUUSD. How's AUUSD looking? Because I know we were looking at sell, so we got that wick, so we got rejection, which is good. Bless you. We got that rejection there. So again, until we don't break below, I'm gonna put an alert here, guys. I need to see price break below, so we'll put an alert here. Crossing selling area. Okay. Okay, guys, setting an alert at 0.66392 for AUUSD. Looking at sell opportunities if we break below that level. We need to break below that level first with a strong momentum push. Look at my arrows. Like, that's what I'm anticipating, okay? It needs to be a strong momentum push though. Okay. Let's take a look at NAS. What's going on with NAS? With USD news, yeah. Push down lower. Okay. So see what I mean? This is why we wait for confirmations, guys. Okay. Do you guys remember what I told you here? I said I'm not going to get in personally. I moved it to the side. We wait for the retest. Look at my arrows. Look at my arrows. Do you see my arrows? Look. Look. Strong momentum. Wait for the pullback. And then we get in. Okay? This is why I teach this. This is why I tell you guys this. Right? Rookie me or newbie me, couple years back, yes, I would have gone in on buys. 100% would have been looking at buys. Right? So right, but again, I want you guys to avoid the mistakes I went through. I want you guys to, and trust me guys, this is why I created this channel. I created this channel so that you guys could be successful. But the community that we've created, guys, the messages I get every day is such a blessing, guys, to be able to help you guys. And I'm telling you guys, being able to give is such a better feeling than actually just receiving, right? When you give back, it's something that reciprocates, that you get that same feeling back, and you're like, wow, like I feel blessed to be able to bless other people. You know what I mean? And just thankful for you know, another opportunity, another guys, that you have an internet connection. I say this every time. The fact that you have an internet connection and you're watching me right now on your phone, you're watching me right now on your laptop, on your computer, is more than enough of a blessing for you to realize how blessed you are. You know what I mean? And, you know, God gives us on every single day an opportunity. The fact that I'm breathing at this given time, right? I'm breathing. There's people in the hospital right now that are struggling, that are hoping for one more breath, right? So the fact that we're here, guys, we really need to be grateful and really count our blessings and look back and be like, man, I have the opportunity to learn a skill set that could also pay me one day or bless my family one day at some point, right? So learning trading is the reason why you know, you can literally, it's the perfect skill set to learn that could hedge you against inflation, that could help you get ahead while people are getting laid off. Unfortunately, it's a sad thing to see, right? When you know how to trade, you're golden, you're set. You know what I mean? You guys are good, right? If the market or the economy crashes and price goes down, well, guess what? Euro went down. Well, you're selling euro. You're looking for selling opportunities, right? So the fact that we have this opportunity to learn this skill set, guys, the fact that you have the opportunity to be here and watch it, our live streams on your phone or wherever, is a blessing in itself, right? So guys, we're going to take a look at UK oil here. I know some people trade UK oil. What's going on with UK oil? Look at this, guys. Look at my arrows there. I think one of my members asked about UK oil, guys. Check this out. Look at this. Exactly as expected. Look how it melted. Look at my arrows, right? This was yesterday. Anticipated it to come back up. Look, and then price went up rejected this level and came back down exactly as expected. So now I'm potentially anticipating it to come back a little bit lower, or reject this level, or a continuation to the upside. Could be a possibility. We're still stuck in the range for oil, I'll be honest with you. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, let's see, we're still probably just ranging sideways. Yeah, see, this is why I was anticipating gold, oh my gosh, UK oil to reject this level and probably come back down to the bottom of the range, which it kind of did that exactly as expected. Now I may see a push down a little bit lower. So right now buying is not a good opportunity. I wouldn't get in on buys. I would wait. That's what I'm telling you guys. Sometimes it's best to wait and be patient. Trust me. I would wait for UK oil to drop a little bit lower, and then we can look for buying opportunities a little bit lower down here. Okay. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Guys, let me know if you have any questions in the chat box below. But also, aside from that, guys, welcome to all the new family members. I see a couple new faces joining the family. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Super excited to have you. Yeah, a couple new members are joining in. I'm just seeing that. So welcome. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys, and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. I can't stress that enough. I don't want you guys missing out on any live stream, guys. Trust me, you'll be able to learn, take notes when you're on our live streams, guys, and trust me, guys, you'll see success little by little, guys. Patience pays. Studying, consistency, being disciplined, right? That's all factors in with your success in trading. Okay, it's 8:54. Let's get it, guys. What next? What other news do we have? We got Flash Services PMI. I'm just going to put that in there in the description. Also, guys, all of the new members, guys, make sure you guys check out our free Telegram group, guys. The link is in the chat box below. Make sure you guys join in, okay? I look forward to seeing you guys join the Telegram family. We have a community of traders there as well. Let's go. One second here, guys. We got Chetan. Good morning, Chetan. Isaac, USD CAD back. Let's go. And then we got some spam there, guys. If you don't mind reporting that for me. Chetan, I'm not able to join live streams regularly. I have some meetings from last few weeks, but from next week we'll surely be joining daily to mint some pips. Let's go. Yes, let's get it, brother. Let's go. That is the goal. That is the goal. And so let's continue on here, guys. I'm just finishing up here. Let's see, hold on. I'm just updating some stuff here on the video. Give me 1 second here, guys. Let's go. Welcome to all the new members. Let's get it, guys. As you know, guys, also, if you're new to the family, check out my other live streams, guys. You'll be able to see how we've been able to catch multiple opportunities live, guys. We've been able, yesterday we caught a perfect buy opportunity on GJ as well. So check it out, guys, when you get the time. Obviously, after we're done this live stream, check it out. And trust me, guys, you'll be able to learn so much. Trust me. Yeah. Also, don't be shy, guys. All of our new members that are just joining, maybe it's your first time here this morning. Introduce yourself. Let me know where you're coming from. What country are you joining in from, guys? We have people from all over the world, and I just look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. So let me know where you're tuning in from. I look forward to hearing from you. All the pound pairs are still probably, they've gained some strength. Yeah. Even with GJ. We just wait for a retracement at this given time, guys. We'll see. Okay, let's go, Tom. Good morning. 1 a.m. here. We'll see you next time. I need bed now. Yes, get some rest, Tom. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, so look at, even for example, GBPUSD. Look how overbought it is. Look at the stochastic, guys. Right, I'm anticipating at least a rejection of this level. It's looking like it's not piercing above it, so we can anticipate some sort of a retracement. Okay, we just gotta wait. We gotta be patient. That's all it is, guys. Patience pays. Okay. Okay. We're going to take a look at NAS, guys, in a second here. I'm just going to let this refresh. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, we got a lot of spam here, guys. Whoa. Okay. Okay, perfect. Chet then, Tom. Okay, Nas. Yes, we'll take a look at Nas Amina for you right now. GJ double top. Yes, which is kind of what I was anticipating overall. This is a good opportunity to get back in on a sell opportunity for GJ. Same here with GUS. We're at a major level of resistance, so we can anticipate a sell opportunity. However, I want to wait for at least a 30-minute candle to close bearish. Okay, guys. Okay, let's continue on here, guys. Let's go. Hello, we got a Cal here. Hello, if I have a $200 account, what leverage should I use? I have a hard time understanding leverage. So to be honest with you, like when it comes to like leverage and stuff like that, I wouldn't really worry too much about like how much leverage at this given time. Like it's really just focus mainly on knowing how to trade. Just you could do like 1 to 5 if you want to, really. It really depends on your broker. You know, for example, with my black bull markets, I'm 1 to 1, so I don't really have any extra. So if price, for example, with NASDAQ, I really have to have a large account for me to actually be making some profits, if that makes sense, right? Some heavy profits, right? So as opposed to like my new broker, which is with Blueberry Markets, these guys are a little bit more different, right? So I could leverage it at 1.15, and so there's a little bit more chance that I can use that smaller account to make more money. Obviously, that's a lot more risky, right? So there's more chances of blowing that account if you're not managing your risk properly, right? So Cal, it's really up to you how you feel comfortable. But again, if you're starting out 1 to 2, 1 to 3, I mean 1 to 5 if you really know what you're doing, but either way, you have to manage your risk, right? And you don't want to be over trading with a $200 account, right? So yeah, it's totally up to you what you want to do and how you want to set up your account, okay? But there's nothing that you should be stressing about. Best advice, focus mainly on trading. That's the most important thing. Focus on trading, guys. Okay. And Cal, like if you're looking to like, you know, if you need that extra help, feel free to I know I had a couple people ask about my inner circle, guys. Check out my inner circle, guys. I'm telling you, I will help you out step by step. If these are questions that you really need help with, or you're struggling with your trading, guys, I'm telling you guys, in my inner circle, that's my main focus. I created it literally because these live streams are awesome, guys. They're free. I don't charge anything for these live streams, but if you really want that extra step-by-step mentor, or you want pop in those live Zoom calls where I can answer your questions, I can look at your charts, I can analyze your charts, guys, I recommend you guys check out my inner circle. Right now we have actually a Black Friday sale. I noticed that everyone, you know, wants some sort of a deal, so I really did drop my prices for a limited time only. So check out my VIP inner circle. Prices have dropped significantly, and the good thing is you can actually lock it in. So if you want to do a month to month, you can lock in at that rate, or if you want to do like a 3-month access, which is really good price right now, check it out. And again, guys, I'm telling you guys, you have to invest in yourself. I invested in myself. I spent thousands of dollars in courses I took to really get my knowledge to where I am today and my confidence to where I am today, because trading isn't just about absorb information, because it's really important where you get your information from, but also having that kind of accountability, that mentorship, you know, that you can count on. And so that's why my VIP inner circle, guys, is literally that. We have a separate group chat, a support group chat where you can ask questions, where you can have, like, you know what I mean, that extra support and guidance from me. We do live Zoom calls, guys, you know what I mean? Monthly Zoom calls, where I go over your charts. I explain any errors that I see, right? Any questions you have. So guys, that's value, you know what I mean? And sometimes in the live stream, I know it's hard because it's hard for me, and I want to answer all your questions, but it's a lot, guys. It's a lot of comments coming through at the same time. So anyways, like I said, Black Friday sale going on, limited time only. You guys could check that out. Click the link there to join my VIP Inner Circle. British pound is still gaining strength, guys. It seems like they don't want to. It seems like the bulls are still in control, but however, we're going to wait. We're going to be a little bit patient, guys, and see what ends up happening. Let's take a look at NAS and see what's going on. I know Amina, one of our family members here, was wondering about NAS. So again, remember with NAS, guys, we were at this level where I said, you know what? We have to be very, very cautious if we're looking for buys. If we're looking for buys, I am anticipating what? I need to see a strong momentum push for buy setups for me to start looking for a retracement and we get in on the retest. That's why I have my setup here. Do you guys see how I have it over here after the retest, right? We wait for the retest. We don't get in on buys just because it's looking like a bullish candle on the 4 hour. Does that make sense, guys? So at this given time, knowing that that's the case, it seems like we're actually breaking below. I may be actually looking like NASDAQ sells, to be honest with you. I'm looking at potential sells for NASDAQ. And let me just kind of move this to the side because we were looking at NASDAQ buys yesterday and it went in our favor exactly as expected. This candle here, this is more of an indication. I mean, I could, let's see, even if you were to do something nice and tight, set your stop loss just above there. Again, I would just manage your risk, guys. I don't know. But overall, I'm anticipating sells. Yeah, anticipating sells. However, we could still see a push to the upside. I want to see this candle close a little bit bearish, and then we can anticipate a continuation of sells. To be honest with you, I really want to look for sells below this level here. That's kind of where I'm looking. Hold on. Below this level right there. That's where I'm looking for sell opportunities for NASDAQ. Let's look at the 30-minute. Let's see. This might help me. Yeah. But yeah, definitely looking at sells. Yeah. It needs to break below at least a 20. Yeah. I need to see, I'm looking for sells once it breaks below that lower level. And again, I mean, you could get in on an aggressive entry if you wanted to, but again, you have to really manage your risk, guys, okay? Really manage your risk. Okay. That's kind of what I'm looking at there, guys. Let's go. I am yo, let's get it, my man. Let's go. Isaac, check on USD CAD again. What's going on with USD CAD, my man? What's going on? What's so urgent? Let's go. Okay. Nice. So we're getting that pullback. I see what you're saying. Nice. So we got the pullback. Do you see how I expected it to pull back? It's coming to our golden zone at this given time. So that's perfect. This might be a good buy entry once we get a rejection of that level. We need to get a rejection first. So let's go. We got him. Yo, what's up, my man? So yeah, now what I want to see is a rejection of this level. And so we can look for perfect buy opportunities for USD CAD, right? But we need to see rejection first. Okay, guys. You guys understanding that? Yes. Yes, you guys getting it? Yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is straight value, guys. This is straight value. Guys, we're at 31 likes. Can we get it to 40? Let's go. Let's just jump straight to 40, guys. Let's get it to 40 likes, guys. I'm telling you guys, these live streams are straight value. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to support you. You guys know that. Oh, guys, this is a perfect buy opportunity. You know what, guys? USD CAD buy. Obviously, manage your risk, because just because we're at a major level, we're at a golden zone, we got a cross of the moving averages on the 30-minute time frame. Look at this, guys. I'm literally expecting USD CAD to retest our 20 moving average. But look at this, guys. We got a strong momentum push. We're getting the pullback. Let's get a rejection of this 20 moving average, which is our golden zone, our 0.618 level. And we can anticipate a continuation to the upside, guys. Guys, if this isn't, oh my gosh, guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is a perfect trade opportunity so that you guys could see Isaac. Let's go, my man. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, so you guys see what I'm saying? We got an upwards channel. So what are we looking at, guys? Overall, again, right? Let's go through our trading plan. Upwards channel, right? We're in an upwards trend. Look at this. What are we creating, guys? Lower, look at the lows, guys. What are we creating? Higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low, right? We are in an upwards trend. Okay. In the 30-minute, we got a cross of the moving average. Confirmation number 2. Okay. Confirmation number 3. We got a strong momentum push. Okay. And we're rejecting our major. This is a major level look. We got resistance, support, resistance, and now retesting a level of resistance, a support. Do you guys understand that? Yes. Right? We're retesting a level of support, guys. This is crucial. This is fire. Now, I could get in a little bit right now if you want. You can get in, but just manage your risk and understand, okay, what are we willing to risk? So if we were to get in here now, we're getting the retest. Literally what I see, you guys see my lines there? You see my arrows? So if you were to get in here, we understand that if price breaks below and it hits our stop loss of 20 pips, it completely invalidates what we're looking at. Completely, right? So we have to understand that. That's a risk. You got to know your risk. Always know your risk, okay? Again, I think it'll come back down and retest at 20. So I think it still has a little bit more juice, which would be our 0.618, which will give us an even better entry. Okay. And then we can anticipate USD CAD to continue to go higher, which in turn, I think I want to see the US dollar. The US dollar is weakening. So the US dollar is weakening at this given time, which, let's see gold. What's going on with gold? So gold is pushing up higher, which kind of goes in confluence here. But what I'm anticipating here, remember, look at this. US dollar loses its strength. But then what? Look at this. I'm looking at a level where price will pull back as a confirmation. On that pullback for USD CAD, okay? On the pullback for USD CAD, that's why I haven't entered yet, but on the pullback for USD CAD, we will then see price potentially gain strength, okay? So once the dollar comes to a level where it stops out at, right, Dixie, we will wait for a retest, and that retest will give us the strength enough for pushing USD CAD to the upside. We're really literally retesting the 20 moving average. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, so the 1 hour. Okay, so again, always want to manage your risk. I would wait. Let's wait for an even better entry. This is a pretty good entry, but let's just wait because the dollar is very, very weak, and we have a lot of US news too, guys. So just keep that in mind. But overall, guys, this is a great example of a perfect trade setup. Okay. Guys, we're at 32 likes. Can we get it to 35? Let's go, guys. Let's get it to 35 likes. Also, welcome to all the new family members, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Appreciate you all very much. You guys know that. You know, we're live every single day, Monday to Friday. Every morning, guys. New York session. You guys know what's good. There's the link for a free Telegram group, guys. For those that don't see it, it's in the video description or tagged on the top. But you know, if maybe you're on your phone, it's kind of harder to find or whatever, it's there. That's the link to join our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there, and I look forward to seeing you join the family, guys. Also, all the new members that are tuning in, that are new here, that it's your first time here, maybe you've been struggling with trading, maybe you had a hard time. I want you to know you have a community you can count on here every single day, guys. We're live. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys. I can't stress that enough, and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Do you want to miss a single live stream, guys? I'm telling you, this is straight value, guys, every single day. All right. And, you know, sometimes, you know, when the opportunity arises, we catch perfect opportunities, you know what I mean, in the markets. So let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's continue on. Let's go. Guys, we're at 33 likes. Can we get it to 35? Let's get it, guys. So we're gonna wait. I mean, it's totally up to you if you want to get in, but this would be a perfect opportunity to potentially get in on a nice entry on USD CAD. Again, manage your risk as always, guys, because we don't know, right? The dollar might weaken even further to the point that we may see it actually melt. You don't know, right? We might not get that retest that we're anticipating, but it seems like we are kind of holding off right now at this time. So
this would be a perfect time to get in on buy opportunities for USD CAD. Okay, but again, we always want to manage our risk, guys. Don't over trade. Okay, we don't want to be over trading. Okay, and if you were, let's say, assuming you get in here, 20 pips stop, that's nice and tight. That looks like a nice buying opportunity. Yeah, I need to see some bullish candles form here. A little bit more of an aggressive entry if you get in here. Let's see here, 4 hour. What are we looking at? Yeah, 4 hour. Yeah. Oh yeah. This might be a little bit more longer term. It'll probably take a little while, but this is a good potential setup, guys. You know what I mean? But it might take a while, might range a little bit before it actually comes up higher. You have to realize that, okay, guys? This is a little bit more longer term, okay? But beautiful setup. Welcome to all the new members, guys. Yes, we got a couple new family members just joining in, guys. Welcome. Couple new members subscribing. I'm just seeing the number count come up. Nice. Family's growing day by day, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Super excited to have you here. Okay, so let's move on, guys. Let's focus on other. So we're gonna wait and see what ends up happening. Again, we want to see rejection. I haven't gotten in just yet, but we'll leave it as is for now. Let's take a look here. Look at our GJ. GJ is literally creating that double top, so we'll wait on that as well. Gold, I mean, we got that close there. This candle, if this candle closes bullish, we can anticipate that pullback that I was mentioning. But again, it's a little bit more higher risk. Okay, guys. USD JPY, what's going on with USD JPY? We actually got a break below. Okay, so let's look here. We got a break below that level. We were ranging for a bit. Like I told you guys, I said, let's wait for some US news. We got a break below this level. So now that we got a break below, we can start looking for selling opportunities, okay? So one of the main things, I'm going to clear the charts here. Let me clear the charts overall, guys. Let's clear everything, start fresh. Let's see if we can see an opportunity here to buy something, to sell or buy, whatever the case is. But I think in this case, we may see a retest. Okay, so on the daily, we know, and remember I told you guys, we are in this kind of upwards channel, okay? This is on the daily. My stomach's like growling, guys. I guess I'm hungry. I am doing like my fast, so I haven't eaten since like yesterday, like 7 or 6 p.m. Anyway, so we know that this is also a major level structure up here. Look on the left hand side, major level structure, price respected this level structure. Okay, 4 hour time frame. What did I tell you guys? We may anticipate, not only that, I had 2 levels marked off. Level 1 here, okay, and level 2 here, which is the closest level. So technically level 2 would be level 1. Level 1, level 2, okay? We already got the rejection level 2. I told you guys way down here to look for buys. Price went up like over 300 pips or something like that. Yeah, 360 pips. If you had listened or got in on buys here when I told you guys, you'd be up almost 300 pips on a smaller trade account. That would have been crazy. Even if you do low risk, guys, that's a perfect opportunity to get in. Either way, guys, don't worry. There's multiple opportunities in the markets all the time. And you know what I mean? Sometimes I miss opportunities. It is what it is, guys, right? But as traders, we scope out the opportunities. We look for what we can scope out. And what I'm seeing right now, obviously we are in this upwards channel on the higher time frames. We rejected this major level structure. We can anticipate one or two things. We kind of broke out of that range. However, we need to realize two things. I'm not looking for sells yet. Why? Well, because if we look here to the left, what do I see? This is a level that price may hold as a level of support. Some people might say, oh, we're looking for buys. I mean, we're looking for sells because we broke out of the range. Yes, but you have to understand that the 4 hour is much more significant than the 15-minute telling us that we finally broke below the range. That break below the range maybe was just for price to come back and retest this level. That's all it really was, right? So in reality, we may just see another retest of these highs, right? Which will give us maybe that confirmation here. Let me just clear that again. What in reality I might anticipate is price to come back up, create a double top, and then finally break below and retest these lows, right? Before we actually push the upside. Again, this is very hypothetical, guys, but I'm just showing you examples of how price could move, right? Super hypothetical, but this is kind of what I'm saying, right? We might create a double top, reject this level because we know that's a major level of structure on the 4 hour time frame, right? We're holding it as a level of support. Look, it's the 4 hour time frame, right? We may see a retest of these highs before we see price maybe come back down and retest this low before it pushes higher, right? We don't know. We're definitely oversold at this given time, so we can anticipate, especially on the 4 hour time frame, we can anticipate a rejection of this level. Stochastics looking like potential buys at this given time. Could be a buy setup, guys. Could be a buy setup. Let's go, right? You guys understanding that? Yes, yes, guys. We're at 33 likes. Can we get it to 35? Let's go. Let's get it to 35 likes, guys. I appreciate all the love. Honestly, guys, I really do. I appreciate all the love and support I've received, guys. Just the fact that people are learning each and every day from our live streams is such a blessing, guys. Getting all these messages every day is a blessing in itself, guys. And I want you guys to know that you can count on me. I'm here to support you every step of the way, guys. And I know that the trading journey can be lonely, but it shouldn't be that way. And that's what I'm saying, right? That's why I decided to create this channel. I decided to create this community to be able to support, so that, you know, traders could be able to support each other and have a community that you can count on, right? So, you know, it's been such a great success, guys. You know what I mean? Obviously, you know, I'm just a smaller YouTuber just starting out. I've only got 1,000 subscribers, but I want you to know that you have a community here you can count on. And as we grow day by day, I'm here to support you. Okay, guys, let's go. We got Jay Miles. Yes, let's go, Jay. I'm not sure if you're already part of the family, but you seem like new to the family. So welcome, my man. Welcome to La Familia. I appreciate you, and I hope you're doing well in your trading. And like I said, guys, I'm here to support you guys, okay? Okay, guys, also all the new members that are tuning in, because I see a couple of new members subscribing. Our numbers are slowly going up. Appreciate it. And I want you guys to know that don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Don't worry, you won't get much notifications. You'll only get it when I come on live, and I only come on live mainly once a day. But sometimes I surprise you guys even on Asian session. So pre-London session, sometimes I come on 10 p.m., sometimes 9 p.m., 11 p.m. I surprise you guys. Obviously, I haven't done it in a while, but I know last time when we did it, it was a huge success. And, you know, there's another group, you know, a group of family members that are, you know, able to show up at that time, because unfortunately some family members aren't able to join in the mornings like this morning. So I try to be, you know, a little bit fair with everyone because I know you guys don't want to miss out. So let's get it, guys. We got Yusuf. Hey, welcome, Yusuf. I'm not sure if you're new as well, my man. Guys, if you guys are new, let me know. Let me know in the chat box where you guys are joining us from. Let me know your country, guys. Put your country flag down below. Like I said, you know, our families all over the world, guys. We got family members from Australia, from UK. We got people from Spain. We got people from Kenya. We got people from Jamaica. We got people from Brazil. Lots of new family members that are tuning in every day, guys, and I just appreciate you all very much. Yusuf, hey, I will subscribe. Hey, Yusuf, welcome, my man. Thank you so much. Don't forget the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Okay, guys, so that's kind of what we're looking at for USD JPY. So again, I'm anticipating it to reject this level. If we start seeing bullish candle formation here, like a bullish candle close, we can anticipate one more push to the upside. And I mean, you could probably see kind of this look like this. It looks kind of like an upwards channel. Now, if we see price come back up and we're still struggling to push higher, so let's zoom in closer here on the 30 minutes so we get more clarity here, because it looks like it's kind of broken below this channel. Keep an eye out on this. If price comes back up and retraces, one of two things. If we pierce below this level, which is this level here, okay? If we pierce below it, so if we go below it with a strong momentum push, okay, I need a stronger momentum push than that. Strong momentum push, and we come back, then we look for sell opportunities, okay? That is the only really way I'm going to be looking for sell opportunities for USD JPY. We need to break below this level. And I'm going to mark this off for you guys so you guys can reference that back. We're looking for sell opportunities below that level structure. If we don't break below that level structure, we're not looking for sell opportunities. I'm not looking for sells now. I'm not looking for sells when it comes up here, okay? I need to see sells with a strong momentum because this is a major level. This is a major level structure. Look, we got support, we got resistance, we got resistance, we got resistance, and now we're retesting it as a level of support. Although, yes, we've broken slightly out of this upwards channel, we do need to realize that price may come back up and it might just be a slight little fake out and continue to go higher. Okay. All right. You guys understood that? Yes. Yes, guys. Awesome. Give your boy a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate the love. Appreciate the support. Yusuf from Egypt. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Awesome. Let's go. Let's go, Yusuf. Welcome, my man. Welcome to La Familia. Appreciate you. Let's get it. We got Grant Platt. Let's go. Should I buy Cause M? Not sure what you're saying. What you mean by that, my man. Sometimes there's so many different like pairs and stuff that I don't even know about that. Okay. Guys, we're at 34 likes. Can we get it to 40 likes? Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Also, guys, for all the new members that are joining in, because I see a couple new family members joining in, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. But also, guys, check out our free Telegram group. We have an amazing community on there, guys. I'm going to paste the link for our free Telegram group. Make sure you guys join in there. Amazing community. Also, my VIP inner circle. If you want to take the exact trades I take and you want to learn while you earn, guys, right now is the perfect time to get in. If you've been contemplating or you've been wanting to really join my VIP inner circle, we do monthly Zoom calls, guys, where I go over your charts with you. I help you step by step. I want you to know that you can count on my support. And you know, my students have been growing day by day, guys, and I've seen how they've been able to understand things, guys. We have a separate group chat where you can ask questions as well. You know what I mean? I know when you're starting out, it can be lonely, guys. You know, you may be struggling, whatever the case is. I went through that as well. But having clarity, having the right information, having the right mentorship and accountability is what's going to help you level up on your trading. When I decided to be consistent, that's when I really started seeing results. When I decided to reach out and get the right information and get that extra mentorship and support, that's when I saw results, guys. And so, like, I don't have a course or anything like that, not at this given time at least, but I do have this VIP inner circle, guys, that I've created, and I love what we've created. It's very intimate. It's not big or anything like that, but it's a group of people that are really looking to level up on their trading. So if that is you, right now I have a Black Friday sale. I never really discount it, to be honest with you, and it's priced really well. But I'm doing it because everyone else is doing the whole Black Friday thing. So, and you know, that might be a blessing for you or anyone that's really been wanting to join. So I've discounted all my price plans except the lifetime. But if you want to do the lifetime, just reach out to me, just say, hey, and I might just give you a discount on there as well too, to help you out. Okay. And just click the link, and that's how you'll be able to get access to it, guys. Okay, so let's continue on. Let's move further, guys. Let's continue on. Also, check out my website too, guys, for all the new members that are joining in, all the new family members. You want to learn a little bit more about me, check that out. Also, follow me on all my socials, on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. You want to know a little bit more about me, you want to get familiar with me, follow me on Instagram, guys. I got the link in the video description below, but if it doesn't work for whatever reason, I know for some people it wasn't working, so I got to update that. You can find me on Instagram at official Pedro FX. That's all you got. Official Pedro FX on Instagram and official Pedro FX on Twitter and TikTok. It's all the same. So I look forward to seeing you guys join, and also tag me, guys. If you're watching me live right now and you're like recording this live or like, you know, whatever it is, tag me and be like, yo, I'm like, you know, Pedro, whatever. It doesn't matter, guys. I always read the comments. I love being able to connect with each and every one of you guys. Like I said, I'm human just like you guys, and I want you to know that you can count on me, and I want you guys to be successful in trading. I want to see you guys get results. I really, really do. And like I said, what my friend said when I first started this channel, he said, man, trust me, the fact that maybe you're just 1 or 2 steps ahead of someone else, you have no idea how much of a blessing you could be to other people. And that was kind of that stepping stone to me to really take that action and be like, you know what, that's so true. I could really be a blessing to others. And maybe, like I said, I'm not even close to where I want to be. And, you know, this channel is really focused on full transparency. This is what it is, guys. And I want you guys to know that, you know what I mean? If you're struggling with your trading or whatever the case is, don't worry. There's always, it takes time. I've been doing this for 6 years and I'm not even close to where I personally want to be on my own personal goals. You know what I mean? So, you know, it takes time, guys, but when you get the right information, when you're a part of that, is will help you shorten that time. Not shortcut, but shorten that time, because you're kind of advancing as a person. You're getting that extra support, that you're getting your psychology in place. You know, I teach all this type of stuff, guys, in my live stream, in the group, in the inner circle, and even in my free chat, which I have the free Telegram. Guys, I'm active on that as well too. But if you want to level up, guys, you guys know what to do. And I appreciate you all very much, guys. So see, look, this is what I'm talking about. As a trader, I need to be patient, but this is what I'm looking for. Look at my arrows. Look at what price is doing. Remember, I told you I want to see a strong momentum push. Now, we're getting that strong momentum push. I needed to break below these lows because this was previous highs here, and it needs to pierce below. If we got to pierce below, then we can anticipate a retest at this level. Then we can look for sells at this lower level down here, which is a major level structure, which again, if we go out to the higher time frames, will look like some sort of a potential double top, or it'll probably be just price ranging at this level, right? So I'll keep you guys in the loop, but this is looking pretty good overall, and I will let you guys know. So either way, you guys know that I always let you guys know what I'm thinking of doing or what I'm expecting price to do. Okay. USD CHF. Okay, we are seeing some sort of a bearish move here. We kind of broke below. Let's see. So we were anticipating a push. We got a push to the upside, except we were looking for price to push a little bit higher. So right now, I think it's just retesting, guys. I'll be honest. It'll probably come down lower, hold this level as a level of support. We may see a continuation to the upside. Let me clear the charts here. And let's kind of go up to the daily just to understand where we are. Now, we do need to realize something here too. What are we looking at? Look at over here. We got lots of resistance here, previous support and future resistance. So that's something that we have to be mindful, guys, and look at. Okay. Give me 1 sec here. Give me 1 sec. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, there we go. We're doing another, me and the wife, we just got back from Mexico, but we're thinking of going to Mexico again. We loved it very much, guys. We're actually thinking of going to Mexico once more. We're going to Playa del Carmen again. We actually went there, but we stayed at Riviera Maya. Really nice. Really nice going to Mexico, guys. The food, the people, it was a beautiful experience. Anyways, so let's continue on here, guys. Let's continue on. Welcome to all the new family members. I see a couple new family members subscribing, guys. Awesome, guys. Let's continue on. So USD CHF, what are we looking at? We're seeing a rejection here on the daily, so we can anticipate a continuation to the downside, right? So even here, this could be a level. So target 1 could be down here, which would be the lows over here. Target 1. Target 2 would be probably even lower. But again, this is long term, right? I'm just talking about long term, right? So now that we know that we're rejecting this level, let's go down to the 4-hour. What can we anticipate? Well, what I'm seeing here, to be honest, is kind of like a head and shoulders ish kind of pattern. right? So we're seeing kind of like a head and shoulders here. We got the left shoulder here, we've got the head, and we've got the right shoulder here. And this is nice because it kind of pushed up. It's slightly not the greatest, but you guys get the point, okay? Something like that. So now we've broken the neckline. So now we're coming to this level though, which is a level of resistance here, okay? Right here. Previous resistance, now using it as a potential level support. What am I looking at here, guys? This is what I'm anticipating price to do potentially. Continue to go down a little bit lower, okay? Probably touch this level here, which is future support, previous level of resistance, right? Come back up, retest the neckline, okay? And then we can anticipate final breaking below this level. If it doesn't break below, then we're stuck in a range and we wait for a breakout. Because when we're in a range, guys, what do we look for? We look for a breakout with volume outside of the range, okay? It's that simple, guys, okay? Guys, we're at 35 likes. Can we get it to 40 likes? Let's go, guys. You guys understanding that explanation on USD CHF? Again, even if I don't personally trade this pair, I'm teaching you guys basic price action. Do you guys understand price action, guys? Price action is king. Price action is key to your success in trading. You guys with me? Let me know if you're with me, guys, okay? Don't be shy. Comment below. Also, all of our new members, guys, let me know where you're joining us from, guys. Let me know. I'm right here with you guys. I'm right here with you. I could be calling it a day. You know, I took my trades, done, call it a day. But I'm right here with you guys, supporting you guys, okay? You guys understanding what I'm saying, right? This is important for you guys to understand what I'm talking about, okay? Okay? So that's what we're looking at overall. Rejection, and then we can start looking for potential buy opportunities for USD CAD. Okay, this was a level, but again, remember, it's a zone. Okay, so if we look at here closely, it's a zone. It's pierced a little bit below our 0.618 level. Again, I would want to see it reject and close a little bit higher with a lot of rejection, and then the next candle to start looking a little bit bullish. If we get some bullish sentiment, we can look for buying opportunities for USD CAD. Not only that, if we look on the 30-minute, we got a cross of the moving averages, guys, and price is literally holding support at the 50 and the 20 moving average. As long as price doesn't break below this level, we're not looking for sell opportunities for USD CAD, okay? We're looking for potential continuation to the upside. However, we know that the dollar is currently a little bit weak, but price could do anything at any given time, so just be mindful of that, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at overall for USD CAD. Okay, a couple people are commenting here. How you doing for 1 minute? Why should I stay? I'm dead serious, I promise. I'm sure that, by the way. Okay, welcome, my man. Welcome to the family. Cal, thank you for giving us important knowledge. No worries, my man. Yusuf waiting. Yes, let's go, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate the love, and like I said, guys, I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. And like I said, all the new family members that are joining in, again, I call you guys members. You realize that, because I don't consider you guys subscribers or just another number. You guys were one big family, and we're growing day by day. So I appreciate you all very, very much. Also, if you don't want to miss a single live stream, guys, don't forget to hit that little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, okay? All right, perfect, guys. I see more people joining in, more family members. Yes, let's go. Our family's growing day by day, guys. Let's get it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, so nice. DC, now we wait. Do you see that nice rejection? Now let's wait for this candle to close with rejection, then we can get in on bias, okay? I'll keep you guys in the loop for that as well. So don't forget to join the Telegram group, guys. Okay. Also for those that are looking to level up on their trading, guys, check this out. This was even from before. Look at this is the daily. Look, we're in an upwards channel. Look at how we're trending up. We're getting higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? We're at a major level structure. I anticipated price to push up, and price pushed up exactly as expected. Let me clear the charts here. Let me clear the moving averages here. What are we doing, guys? Look at my arrows, guys. Look pullback to our major level structure, strong momentum. Look, we got the push. We were ranging for a little bit, but we got the push and it pulled back again. And look, I'm anticipating it to push higher. Let me clear the charts, but you can see, look at my lines here. Look at my lines here. We're in a channel, on an upwards channel, but we're still kind of in a little bit of a range. So let me clear the charts so you can see it with a little bit more clarity. And kind of where I need to see price hold this level of support is pretty much where it's coming up to right now. I need price to hold this level of support so we can see a continuation to the upside. Okay, you guys understanding that? Yes. If we go up to the daily, we know that we're in that upwards channel. That's kind of what we're looking at. Look, creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, it's that clear. Once you're able to understand this, guys, I'm telling you guys, and I teach this all the time, you'll be able to understand what we're looking at. Now, I'm not looking at buys yet. Reason why, be careful. Look at this, what I scoped out on the daily. Yes, we're in an upwards channel, but look at this. We got a break below that level structure. This here was a fake out. Okay, that was a fake out. And then price came back up, right? And then it was ranging in this level. And then I'll show you what I'm talking about ranging, because look, that's the top of the range. Now, what are we doing? Were we trending when price was doing this? Are we trending? No, right? So we were in a range on the higher time frames. We knew that. And this was the bottom of the range. Look. Okay, we knew that. Remember, these are different. These are just zones. Okay, these aren't specific areas. These are zones. Now look at this daily candle. To me, that looks super bearish. So we have that strong momentum now. This is a fake out. This right here is a fake out. That's very evident. Price came back into the range, but then we had a huge candle, huge bearish candle, and then price is slowly starting to push back up. However, I'll be honest with you, we got lots of, look, we got resistance, we got support, and now retesting it as a level of resistance. What does this mean? This means that we may anticipate price to come back down and retest these lows. Okay. So sometimes traders might say, we're still in an upwards trend. We're still yes, but you need to realize that price may come back down and retest. Okay. So what I'm expecting maybe is price to come back down to this level. We may range here for a little bit, okay? Or it comes back down and then we see a price push back up, okay? Obviously, there'll be pullbacks and stuff like that. But this is important, guys, because this is the daily time frame. It's telling us the overall direction of where we can anticipate price to go. Do you guys understand that? Is that clear? Yeah? Yes? Okay. Okay, you got me, family. Let's go. Awesome, bro. Welcome to the family. Welcome, Gadir. Welcome to the family. Let's get it. Let's go, Yusuf. Let's go. Pull back on USD CAD. Yes, USD CAD. Let me follow up on USD CAD. Let's see what's going on with USD CAD. USD CAD, yeah, like I said, we're looking at potential buys as long as price is able to respect that level, that 0.618 level. We need to see it close. Why did I say wait for closure? Wait for closure. We got the rejection. We pierced, I'll be honest, this is a lot lower than what I'd want, to be honest with you. But price tends to do stuff like this sometimes, right? So I need to see this candle close. I need to see a bigger wick. I need a bigger wick than this to close with a wider wick, and the next candle to be bullish for a continuation of buys. Okay, that's kind of what I'm looking at overall though for USD CAD. Okay, guys, you guys understanding that? Yes, guys, we're at 36 likes, guys. Let's get it to 40 likes. Let's go, guys. All right, let's go. Also, welcome to all of our new members, all our new family members. Let's get it. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. You guys understanding that? Yes. Okay, see, now if it breaks below, that's why we didn't enter yet. That's what I'm saying. We wait. Now let's say, for example, if this actually breaks below, let's look at both scenarios here too. If price breaks below, then I'm looking for sell opportunities below this level, but I need to see a strong momentum. And let me tell you, this is looking like a nice strong momentum push. That's why we wait. Patience pays, guys. Let's go. That's one of the biggest things I learned when I was first starting trading, guys, is patience. Being able to be patient, guys. Learning patience is key. Okay. So again, remember I told you I was still a little bit weary because the dollar is weak, guys. The dollar is weak. Now look at gold. Gold is probably going up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at gold. Right? Remember I told you guys that pullback? Look at, we're getting that pullback on gold. Why? Because the dollar is weakening, right? We got that slight little retracement on the dollar, but the dollar is super, super weak at this given time. Look at my arrows, guys. Okay. If you want to learn how I look at the markets the same way, guys, come to my live streams, guys. It's absolutely free every single day. And I know that on live streams, it's hard because you come in halfway, you don't know where we are, whatever the case is, guys. That's why I created my VIP inner circle, guys. If you're looking to level up on your trading, maybe you've been blowing your accounts multiple times, you're struggling with your trading, you just want clarity, guys. You really want clarity. You want whatever the case is, guys. You want to level up on your trading, guys. Check out my VIP inner circle. I'm also participating in the Black Friday, guys. So I do have a Black Friday sale going on for the limited time. I don't really discount my VIP inner circle. It's really, really intimate. I really do live Zoom calls every day, every month, monthly Zoom calls. I share my exact trades I take. I do full breakdown analysis, when to get in, when to get out, all that type of stuff. We have a separate group support chat where you can ask all the questions you need. And trust me, sometimes as a trader, when you're starting out, you have a bunch of questions. You're just hoping for answers, guys. And so if that is you guys, check out my VIP inner circle. My inner circle, the link is in the chat box below. And right now I've got discounted prices like crazy, guys, for a limited time. I won't keep it up like that, but you know, I know that will be a blessing for some. So check it out, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys join in there as well. I saw a couple people ask me about my recommended broker. Guys, I have a really good broker with Blueberry Markets. They're really, really amazing. If you click the link, there's a sign up bonus. I don't know exactly what it is, but there's a sign up bonus. What I like about them is they're regulated. That's the biggest thing. When you're looking for a broker, even if you go with my broker or not, look for a broker that's regulated, guys. Okay, that's my best advice when you're starting out. If you look for a broker that's unregulated, they'll help you trade with leverage sometimes or over leverage on smaller accounts. But the problem with that is that you don't realize that you're dealing with higher spreads, and so it's harder for you to get into profits, which you'll find that you're struggling. Typically when you're new into trading, you'll find yourself be like, oh my gosh, like I'm struggling, you know what I mean, to get into profits. Why? If I anticipated price to go this way. The reason why is because the spreads are so wide, and there's sometimes even manipulation with brokers that are unregulated. So I try to stay away. I try to focus on just having my accounts with regulated brokers. So that is my broker for those that have been asking, because I've had some people reach out to me. Sorry if I haven't been able to respond. It's just I got a lot of people messaging me through the Telegram. So that is the link there. Also my website, guys. Here's the link to my website. Check out my website as well if you want to get to know me a little bit more, get to know my story. Check it out. Obviously, it's hard to fit my entire story in a website in a couple paragraphs, but check that out as well. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all very much. Like I said, I can't stress this enough, guys. Make sure you guys, all the new family members that are joining in, click all notifications. Click that little notification bell on the side, guys. It's free, and it at least notifies you when we're live, because sometimes I do come in on the evenings, and I think I might come on and surprise you guys later tonight, this evening, on a live stream, probably tonight. So we'll see. Also, guys, like I said, we got our Black Friday sale going on with VIP Inner Circle. So take advantage of that, guys. I'm telling you, you can lock in that monthly discount as well, guys. So that is an opportunity to lock in if you've been planning to get in. So check it out. USD CAD. Yes, that's why we wait for confirmations, guys, on USD CAD. That's why I told you guys to wait. Again, we're getting a nice strong momentum push. So this is what I want to see. I want to see price continue to break these lows. Once we knock out these lows, we want to see closure out of this kind of major level of structure here. And then we can anticipate a retest of that level. Then we can look for selling opportunities, okay? Be careful, guys. If you're actually sold here, just be very, very careful. I'm telling you, price may pull back, okay? So just be very, very careful. Okay, guys, let me know if you have any questions before I head out, guys. It's been a blessed morning, guys. I appreciate you guys having you here every day. We're live at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome to all of our new members. Welcome to all the family, guys. And like I said, all the links are there, guys. Follow me on all my social media at official Pedro FX. You can literally just type it out on Instagram, official Pedro FX, or official Pedro FX on TikTok, Twitter. All of them are the same. You can find me at official Pedro FX. And I look forward to seeing you guys tune in there, guys, as well. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys join the family. And any questions you may have, just reach out, guys, okay? Thank you so much, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. I might surprise you tonight. We'll see. All right, guys. Thanks so much. All the links are there. Look forward to seeing you. Also, guys, if you enjoyed these live streams, guys, share it with your friends. Share it with anyone that you may think may bless them, guys, in any way possible. So maybe you have a friend that's starting trading. Maybe you have a friend that's like new to whatever trading as a whole. So make sure you guys share these live streams, guys.